In this video, I want to show you how you can sell fractional shares on Webull. Now you want to make sure that you download the Webull app, otherwise this is not going to work. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you open up Webull, click on the trade button and make sure that you're logged into your brokerage account. Once you're in here, you want to select the stock or the ETF that you want to sell some shares of. So once you've done that, just select it and you will head over to the quote page. From in there, click on the trade or sell button, or if you click on trade and the sell button will appear, just make sure that you click on the sell. Once you're in there, you want to select the sell order details. Now, if you want to do fractional shares, it needs to be a market order, so make sure that market is selected as your order type. Now, after that, you just want to select the quantity of how much you want to do it, and after that, you want to review it, make sure that it is correct, and then simply submit the sell order. After this, you should be good to go. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.